Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make an Onshape account for Lambert Robotics. So first, you're going to go to the Onshape website in your browser, and you're going to click create a student account. So here, you're going to type in any first name, any last name, but make sure you have an email address that you have access to. Then, you're going to click submit. Then you're going to click student and grade school, and you're going to enter your birthday. Make sure it complies within this range. So we're going to type in Next, we're going to type in the school name, Lambert High School, and the school website URL. Then you're going to type in your graduation year, so select 2029, and robotics. Then you're going to click on all of these agreements and press complete sign up. After that, you're going to go to your Gmail or any email, and you're going to see this email at the top, and you're going to click on this. Here, you're going to press activate your account, and this will take you to a separate website. Here, you're going to make a password which meets these requirements, and then you're going to type in the company name, which is Lambert Robotics. Then you're going to check off these two boxes, and that completes your sign up for Lambert Robotics through a student education account.